Hello friends, in this part we wanna draw graphs of three functions. The function y is equal to 1 over x. Y is equal 1 over x plus 1. Y is equal 1 over x plus 1. Well, first we go to plot the function 1 over x. If we set the number x to 1, the value of the function in this number will be equal to 1. If the value of x goes to infinity, the value of the function tends to 0. And if the value of x goes to 0, the value of the function tends to positive infinity. And if we set the value of x equal to negative 1, the value of the function will be equal to negative 1. We move the value of x to negative infinity, the value of the function tends to 0. If x goes to negative 0, the value of the function tends to negative infinity. Well, now we go to the second function to draw it. We wanna reach the conclusion that to draw the second function, it is enough to move the first function 1 unit to the left. We wanna reach this conclusion. The value of the function at x equal to 0 is equal to 1. If x goes to negative 1, from right side, the value of y tends to positive infinity. And if the value of x goes to positive infinity, the value of the function tends to 0. The value of the function at x is equal to negative 2 is equal to negative 1. And if we give larger negative numbers to x and move x to negative infinity, the value of the function tends to 0. Likewise, if x goes to negative 1, the value of our function tends to negative infinity. We go to the third function to draw this. As you can see, the value of the function in x is equal 1 is 2. If x goes to the positive side of infinity, the value of the function tends to the number 1. And as you can see, if x goes to positive 0, the function tends to positive infinity. If we put a number in our third function and set the value of x equal to negative 1, as you can see, the value of the function will be 0. The value of the function tends to 1 as x goes to negative infinity. And when x tends to 0 from values less than 0, the value of the function goes to negative infinity. So friends, please notice that the second function has been moved 1 unit to the left compared to the first function, and the third function has been moved up 1 unit compared to the first function.